Hey, good morning. Clancy Boyer here, sunny Fort Myers, Florida. We're here today to look at a Boston Whaler 320 Vantage, or 320 DC, 32 DC. One of the most popular boats a whaler has. This boat's in fantastic condition, and I want you to see what's special about it, so come on aboard. All right, so this boat's powered with the 300 V8 Mercuries, the new style engines. The name on the boat is OCD, and that kind of explains the owner and his passion for keeping it nice and clean. Step on and we'll look at the features. So we have the typical Boston Whaler layout with the fold down seat back here. He's incorporated a nice logo and sea deck for when you're back here fishing. If you're into the fishing mode, he's added some rod holders. Different features for fishing. You've got the tow rails for handling your rod so you can stay locked in and fight the fish. But a lot of people that buy this particular model never fish with it. It's just a family boat. It's considered to be one of the safest boats that's made, and that's one of the reasons why they like it. And then the conversion of the seats and the way they move back and forth and the way you're able to get all your guests on board is another outstanding feature of the boat. This one's equipped with a power shade that comes out, the seat that folds down. You have a refrigerator here, a live well that a lot of people use because it's insulated. They use it as a cooler. You just throw a couple of bags of ice in here, let your drinks float around, and people can see it and get what they want. Then it's self-draining afterwards. Come on up and let's take a look at the helm. So some of the special features of the boat that people really enjoy is the captain has a power seat here, so it powers up and down. But not only that, the passenger side spins around, does a lot of different things, but the ladies really like how this seat will go up in the air and they can see out real well, or they can power it down to go lower to get out of the weather. Speaking of weather, he has just added all this enclosure, goes all the way around. So it's a nice feature that can be taken off and just used when the weather's not good, or you can leave it up all the time. I mentioned the refrigerator. Your seats do a lot of conversion, so you can have sun lounges, you can have forward seating, aft seating, whatever you choose for the day. Great head layout. This has also got the bonus bunk. The backrest of this bunk goes out, fills in the floor area, so this can become all one bed or a sofa area, storage, whatever you need. Over here you've got the full head with a shower. The wood seat folds down for if you want to sit down and take a shower. And then obviously all of this closes up if the weather's bad, or if you want free airflow, you can just take the curtains off. As we move forward, you've got nice armrest. I'm 6'2", lots of space. Table goes up here, anchor built into the boat. Lots of phone chargers, speakers, stereo system. The boat's in fantastic condition. Seafoam green on the outside, which is very rare. It's a new color for Boston Whaler. So your boat won't look like other ones that are out there, although there are not a lot of these boats built. It's always nice to have one that doesn't look like your neighbors. So my name's Clancy Boyer. My number's 573-470-7776. Give me a call and we'll set up an appointment for you to take a look at this boat. Talk to you soon.